Welcome back, Daniel Parsons, and I'm Prife International independent business owner. I market and sell the iTeraCare devices worldwide. It's a global business opportunity you can do anywhere in the world. We have team members from continents all across the world except for Antarctica. We've not placed a team member there yet. Um, but we're working on it. I'm not too far from Antarctica as I'm recording this video from southern Chile. It is the 5th day of January 2023, and this update video is real quick about the new name for one of the bonuses. There are quite a few different ways you get paid in Prife International. One, of course, is direct sponsor bonus. You'll make a small commission on the volume of someone's purchase, either one of the iTeraCare devices or the different foot massagers we have now, and soon the Oxy Tap infusers. So there are other products available in different regions of the world, but those are the main ones that I want to focus on. The bonus that I want to cover today is called the leadership bonus. And it was for the first 2 years. I've been in Prife International since January of 2022, so I'm coming up on my 2-year anniversary. And for the past 1 year and 11 months and let's say 2 weeks or something, the bonus was called a matching bonus. And what that was is, let's say you sponsor somebody and then they earn a bonus in Prife International. Well, you get a small percentage of what they earn. So now Prife is calling it the leadership bonus. And I think this is a wonderful way to rename this bonus because it does take quite a bit of effort sometimes if there are problems that arise in your team, or if somebody's needing warranty replacements, or if somebody needs help figuring out how to redeem their bonus redemption wallet orders. And so this bonus is meant to help you want to be available and of assistance to your team. And so far, and as of the 4th of January, I can say this because the math worked out perfectly. My leadership bonus for the first 4 days, it's going to drop a little bit because today, after the server update, I didn't get as big of a bonus. But for the first 4 days, I averaged $15.15 each day. Now, if you take that out over a 30-day period, that's $450 extra in a month. There are tens of, probably hundreds of millions, probably a couple of billion at least, people that if you could help them get $450 extra a month into their family's finances, they would be jumping for joy. So I want to make my disclaimer right here. I'm not guaranteeing if you become a Prife International member and join my team that your earnings are going to be the same as mine. Yours could be much higher. I have sponsored people that are making a boatload of money in Prife International. Then I've also sponsored people and they haven't done anything, so they're not making anything. And so this is the way the direct sales industry is. And I like the way Prife has it set up where if you go to work and you help your team and you grow and develop your team, you make a very good income at Prife International. And the biggest bonus that they have is what's called a level pairing bonus. And just real quickly, I've already run down to 88 spots on one side of my binary. It should be deeper. I didn't get the proper training in the beginning when I joined, and I didn't understand the way to build a binary in Prife is that you automatically have to place somebody over on your left leg, okay? And then the very next person that you sponsor will go on your right leg. And then from that point forward, you always want to move down the left sides of those two spots directly underneath you. And you never want to go and worry about the right sides of those two spots. Okay. The reason is that you create quite a bit of momentum running down those left sides. You got people up above you putting people down, and then people that join after you are putting people underneath those left sides. So that's why it's important to understand a pay plan. I should be much deeper than I am, but I was building a binary the way I always thought you were supposed to build a binary when I first joined Prife International. So I woke up, and ever since then, I've been collecting those level pairing bonuses, and those are very sweet. You can actually, Prife will allow you to purchase a pen. And let's say you've got a diamond member on your level 2 left, and you've got one silver on your level 1 right, but you want to go ahead and put that next diamond over there on your level 2 right side of your binary. What you can do with Prife is, let's say you don't have a diamond cell right now. You can actually register pins, and you can keep placing people down your left side. And then as you have diamonds on the left side, as soon as you get a slot open, and then you would have a diamond at level 2 left, level 2 right, then you're going to pick up at least, it was $800. Now it's going to be changing because the prices have gone up. And so you're going to pick up at least $800 when you match diamonds and level pairs. Some people have only been signing up diamonds. And but I don't do that because I feel like if I can match silvers, the bonuses were $80. So those are going to go up. As a matter of fact, I've got a project I've got to work on. I need to update the income plan to reflect the new pricing and the payouts on level pairs. Um, there's a possibility it's not going to change because that $20 for the classic blower, maybe that increase is not going to be reflected in the volume amount. So it could stay $80 when you match level pairs of silvers. So a $400 classic blower on your left, let's say level 3 left, level 3 right, that will pay you $80. That's a pretty sweet bonus. So that'll be it for this training. It's now a leadership bonus. And oh, how to get a hold of me. Telegram, my handle for my USA telephone is Daniel Parsons, Parsons, and that's P like Papa. And my handle for my Chile phone is just Daniel in Chile on Telegram. And so you can get a hold of me anywhere in the world, and we can talk on the phone over the internet. So, um, and I'll close with this. It's going to be a wonderful 2024. I'm going to work on getting my upline engaged with me, and we're going to use our conferencing software to develop some trainings to bring the new people in. And then the other people that might have been in for a while and they want to get active, will also have something and include you as well. So God bless you. It's going to be a wonderful 2024. Bye from Southern Chile.